Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the most extreme and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a crazy road rage situation in which a driver purposely sideswiped another vehicle. This driver was on his way back home and he was doing the speed limit, but in his rear view mirror he caught someone on his tail. The driver that was behind was approaching aggressively and really fast, so he pulled over to let him pass, but that turned into a hectic road rage.
Is he good? Yeah. I might wake up feeling shit though. Who knows? I might wake up feeling good. I mean, it's gonna be, by the time we get home, probably 12:30. Right? Yeah. Uh-oh. High beams behind you? Yeah. Where what? I don't know. Something over. No. Okay. What are you doing? Huh? What's your problem, boy? Why are you brakes like that? I'm trying to let you go by me. Go ahead. Scumbag. Fucking drunk, eh?
This pickup truck driver did use his turn signals, about half, to move back into the camera's lane, but things are closer than they appear on camera. Camera caught a spine-chilling crash in which multiple semi-trucks got involved. The police, the medics, firefighters, everyone was there on the scene, and hopefully the participants are doing okay.
Walking zombie. Look, another one. Walking zombie. People like that makes it worse. Like they want to skip all the way ahead and skip everybody. So now you got people from behind you going in front, making this worse. That's the problem. That's why this is like this.
This bus driver was forced to block a lane of traffic simply because there were other vehicles in a bus stop. Crazy driver took the exit in the last possible moment. He didn't even look at his mirrors, nor did he indicate.
Благодаря нашим и волонтерам, всем и медикам мы создали такую систему, наверное, одну из лучших.
Driving through rain at a high rate of speed can be really dangerous for all drivers. First, you can easily skid out and lose control of your vehicle and crash. But in this situation that didn't happen. But a certain Honda driver definitely lost some parts of his vehicle.
No stop on the red. Oh my God.
I'm sure Liverpool fans are going to be queuing up to more time. What's going on? I mean, respectable. How do you win 7-0 in Anfield?
In this video, the camera caught some reckless red light runners on his dashcam. Make sure to avoid repeating these mistakes and do your best to obey the traffic lights.
To find a job she can do.
Except no place is even taking her. Several schooling places and they don't take her.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, to make you learn simply by observing others' mistakes. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that's the only thing that can help us grow together. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe.